Hello and welcome to Web Learning where knowledge is shared. So after some time that I haven't posted any videos, as I was busy with many things, I still made many different things that I need to share with you, but the most urgent one is to fix this. This is a phone holder that sits in my car, and as you can see, it broke. The head broke from the stand that connects to the car. And I'll try to show you how I'm fixing this. I'm sure other people have issues with different things that break like this. I'm a bit lucky because I have a hole here that I can use for a screw, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap this out and use an M3 screw with a glue so I can put it back together. Hopefully it will hold much better than the original part that's not really good. I don't know if you can see. It's quite small, the area that it was holding it. So let me get the tools and I'll start doing this. So first things first, let me drill this. I don't have a lot of, it's not deep, this hole. I don't know if you saw this, but this is also something I made. It stands on the wall just like that. There are two parts. There is one part that sits on the wall. It's just the opposite of this, and they're just holding each other like that. And I have it hanging on my wall. I need to see how much I'm drilling. So just as a reference. Oh yeah, I need about that much. Ah, there's plastic here. So there's something in here. Let me try and get it out. There was a screw here. Okay. That's why I couldn't drill this correctly. So let's go the other way around. So let me drill here. Ah. Okay. This doesn't have enough width to hold it, I think. So I don't think it will hold. But let's see. I have my M3 screws. Maybe we can have one that is quite long. And then we can put something on the other side. Will this fit? Yes. So that's quite long. Question is, will this hold? I think I'll put after that some super glue here right inside. That will give it more strength from the sides. And I need an M3 screw that will be long enough. I think I need a bit longer. It won't hurt. Let's try this one. This is an Allen key. More tools. Okay. Okay, the way to hold this usually, you stick a screwdriver on the side. That should give it some leverage to stop spinning. Yeah, almost. Good. Now let's fill it up with the super glue. I need to put some here. And I'll fill it up here. Tappy tap tap. And that's it. Well, thank you for watching this quick movie on how to fix this. I'll leave it to dry and I'll start using it back again tomorrow. Thank you very much to all my patrons that have been supporting me all this time. I really appreciate it. It's helping me a lot. And yes, I still have many movies to upload, many things that I've built, including things on the STM32. I finished this and I need to show you what I did. It's a solder paste dispenser, really cute one. It's working, but I need to make a movie, hopefully soon. See you next time. Bye.